you think we went downstairs?
You did? Why'd you go downstairs?
Because it was Christmas Day. We were so excited we couldn't wait.
What do you see downstairs?
A bunch of presents. There's two big ones, one for me and one for Stevie. Maybe
Two big ones.
Scoots. Now can we go upstairs? So I can show you.
Yeah, sure, Nicole. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
How about you, Stevie?
Yes, you said just say it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Penguin.
Bye.
Did you guys get a lot of presents?
Yes. We just put our stockings now.
Okay, sure.
Well, I got a lot of chocolate. That's for sure. Let's see if he like my nose. He gave me a card.
Let's see, Nicole.
This? No.
Let's go ahead.
And the elves wrapped it good. Ah.
Do you need help?
I got a good idea.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I got it. I can't do mine. I can't. Mine is easy.
Nicole, why don't you help Stevie? Is
There you go.
Yeah, like that one. I'll just do it.
Oh my gosh. What is it, Stevie?
It was the bike I always wanted.
Is it nice?
Baby, Mom. No, what's it called, baby?
Oh, just put it over there by the stairs. Oh, right, you got a kickstand. Hold on a second.
A kickstand. It means it can stop.
Well, no, it means you can put it down.
I can't. What do you want to hold?
This is a kickstand.
Well, I can't.
Whoa, Stevie. There you go. You guys like it?
Yeah.
You guys ready to ride around?
Yeah. My.
No training wheels, Nicole.
I just have to learn.
You'll learn. You will learn. I like the colors of both of them. Stevie, you can try.
What is this? A break? Mommy,
Yeah.
what's this? A break?
A break.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
We both got one.
You can pedal.
I don't want to.
You don't want the carpet? Okay.
I don't want to because I don't know how to. I don't know how to ride without training.
Okay. Ooh, yours says slumber party.
That's what's the.
Surge.
That's the one that you didn't want.
It's Whoopi's Big Book of Manners. Okay, Santa must be telling you something. He wants you guys to follow, to learn some manners, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll have fun reading that.
I still don't know how to read.
Well, I'll read it to you.
Now?
Yep, now. And Stevie, pick something.
Oh,
Who's that?
Hannah Montana.
Oh, Hannah Montana. Great. Okay, now let Stevie open too, okay? You can put all of this in a pile over there. Why don't you put the... Is that for you, Stevie?
Yeah, it says my name.
Okay. Stevie, okay.
I was right about one of them.
Uh-huh.
Mom, I can't open it. Who sang that? The Elves?
What?
That CD.
Who's saying?
The
They
Elves.
probably went to Hannah Montana's recording studio.
No, the Cheetah Cats too.
Oh, I think they went to the recording studio and picked it up. Ooh, a V-Smile game. And it's soccer. Is that cool? You got a new game to play?
It's Chinese Shepherds.
Chinese checkers.
It's soccer.
It's a soccer challenge.
Oh, then with a goal.
Where's the goal? I'm sure it's there. We'll have to open it up and play.
Stevie.
We'll
Yeah,
play
this
it.
looks like
Go
a
get
good
another
one.
one for you. Well, you have one more to open before Nicole can go. Oh,
I don't know.
maybe it's a big sausage. That's salami. Oh, you're right. It's a bat. Cool.
I always wanted to know that.
That's
We've been
beautiful.
good all year.
Wow.
I know. Just in time for baseball season, huh?
Let's see what.
Who's that from?
Click.
Do
Okay,
you wanna
I took the
call
picture.
Happy Holidays one?
It's a video. You like that, baby Stevie?
Oh,
That's cool.
how pretty.
Nicole, what did you get?
Hold it
A
up.
Mushi.
Oh,
That's
wow.
Two different colors.
That's really cute.
All right. All right, babies.
A Mushi. I bet Mrs. Claus sewed it.
I bet she did.
Or else. Ow!
No, that looks like something Mrs. Claus would do, huh?
Yeah. Mushi.
Oh, cool. A
Yeah.
sweater.
Who's
That's
that?
nice.
Who's that from, Ian?
Yeah.
That's from
I'm
Ian?
gonna go see what Vanessa.
Oh, nice, Stevie. Keep you warm, huh? Wow. Perfect.
This is tuna fall from Vanessa. Hey Mom, this is a
Oh,
present for me.
cute.
Mom, this is a present for you.
For me. Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh,